Hey, what's good, y'all? How y'all doing? This is Raheem the Goat here, and as you can see, I'm just doing a little workout, leg day. So I'm just like warming up, doing some cardio. I like to do a little bit of jumping jacks or some treadmill before I really get started. Just get the blood pumping, get the blood flowing. You know what I mean? Feeling good, feeling good as ever. But yeah, I think now I'm about to do some air squats or something like that. I just like to do air squats so I can warm up my quads and warm up my joints. Always warm up your joints before you start exercising. When I was like 20, 21, 22, I could just get right into it. I didn't have to warm up. I sound like an old man right now. I'm like 26, now I'm like older. Now I gotta warm up. I can't just get right into it, you know what I'm saying? Gotta let it warm up first, right? So, yeah. But what I want to talk about today, trying something a little new here. Something I want to talk about is happiness, fulfillment. I think as a man, it's really important that you're like progressing. You're working towards some type of goal, whatever it is. I think that's what really brings you joy and fulfillment. I think for the longest, I was really just going through the motions, and I wasn't really setting any goals like that. I mean, I had goals in my head, like things I wanted to work towards, but I never wrote nothing down. So basically, recently, I just now got me a vision board, and I've been writing stuff down on that vision board, like what I want out of life, and it basically puts it into my subconscious mind, and now I have more motivation and more energy to pursue my goals. And I actually took the whole entire month off of the gym because I had to let my body recover from all those strenuous workouts I was doing. So, as you can see here, this here is about probably 125, I think. And, one thing I want to point out here is that, as you can see, I'm keeping my back straight, doing nice, slow, and controlled reps. Not trying to rush it, not trying to, You got to remember, the most important thing about building muscle, getting stronger, is your form, your technique. That's like the most important thing. So, see, a lot of dudes like to brag about how much weight they can lift. I see a lot of dudes posting on YouTube or whatever. They got about 6 plates on the bar, and feeling good because they lifting heavy weight, but they form is trash. And they still small, you know what I mean? So it's all about your form. The weight don't matter so much. It's really all about progressive overload, getting better over time, And that's basically what I'm talking about here. Goals, I think you should just take things slow. Just take it slow. Ain't no rush, See, nice, slow, controlled. I'm making sure that I'm not letting my lower back start rounding out, because that's what gives you issues later on when with your lower back. You don't want those types of problems. And one thing I'll do most of the time, if I'm lifting really heavy with squats, I will wear a back brace. Right now, I'm killing the game, so I don't need one right now. I'm pretty good right now. Look at them squats, man. Them some real nice squats, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Something that I also want to add is that it's best to live intuitively, Like, I ain't saying do whatever you feel like doing, but kind of just do things more intuitively. Don't make it like a job, because then you're going to become a robot, a drone, and then you're just going to be miserable, Yeah. Hey, I'm Jack, man. Yeah, I think like sometimes we get so caught up in this self-improvement stuff or whatever, or trying to get somewhere, that we fail to be in the present moment and live life, you know? You just gotta live life. Yeah. So as you can see here, when I come up, you know what I mean, I basically pause and then I come back down. Like I pause for like 1 second, then I slowly lower the weight back down. So if you can't do that for like 15 reps, then you need to lower the weight. A lot of people be trying to lift really heavy and then they snap something. You know, you don't want to do that. You don't want to injure yourself. So make sure you going slow, and they gonna hurt too. So I'm just gonna throw that out there. So something that I usually like to do is I like to superset leg extensions and leg curls of 15 reps. And I don't know if I've ever explained how I do my progressive overload, but what I basically do, because you saw how I was doing the squats for 125. So I did 10 reps each, and I do 3 sets of those. And after that, you know, so the next time I do leg day, I'll bump it up to 130 and do the same exact thing. And that's basically how I do progressive overload. And if I don't hit all 10 reps on all 3 sets, then I'll go back to 125. But yeah, really, life is really just about taking care of yourself, you know. And taking care of yourself out of genuine love and interest, not because you feel like you need to prove somebody wrong, or you need to hop on this internet trend, or you need to looks max. This is the one thing that I'm trying to explain to people, is that all this looks max and stuff, or getting more women and doing whatever, man, that stuff really ain't important in the long run, you know. What's really important is your spirituality, who you are as a man, like your character, you know. One thing that makes you stand out from other guys, makes you more attractive and confident, is when you take care of yourself. And I mean stuff like, you know, doing your skincare, meditating, grooming, you know, exercising, eating healthy. That stuff, you know, you showing love for yourself when you do those things. And it seems like a lot of people are very much so against that. But yeah. Now here, when I'm doing my cow phrases, I'm making sure that I'm going all the way up and I'm pausing at the top, and I'm not doing some funky, you know, quick little thing. And I'm not lifting heavy at all either. You know, your cows don't need 30,000 plates. And if there is one thing that I've learned about life in my 26 years of living is that you should always pursue something that interests you, that brings you passion and excitement. And I know I'm gonna have people say, "Oh man, you got to make money, and you can't follow money. If you follow money, you're going to be broke. I mean, chase money. You're going to be broke. You're not going to make money that way. What you want to do is chase your purpose. Your purpose is naturally going to spark interest of people and literally just help you make money. Now, as you can see here, this is like a reverse crunch. And what this does is it targets your lower abdomen, your abs, lower abs, basically. And I like to do this on my leg day, and they're hard. So what you want to do, like everything in this video, is do slow and controlled reps. Do it very slow. Feel that burn. Now, one of the most important things about building muscle is your form, your technique, progressive overload, your diet, And most importantly, consistency. Yeah, and I'm not even gonna lie. It took me years to figure this out. It took me years to learn how to properly implement all of these things. And it can be tough to really implement these things on your own. But that's why I did it. So that way you don't gotta do it. Look, but hey, on the real though, if this interests you and you find this something you wanna do, apply to my coaching program. I can teach you the ins and outs, show you the ropes about this fitness. You know what I mean? All you gotta do is click the link below, and then we'll do a free consultation, and you'll be on your way. Getting ripped, getting them muscles. It's like you want, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share the video out. Peace out, y'all.